Hello, everyone. So I've added a few changes to the Productiv app. I think the last video, I don't think I had this form. So I added this, I styled it. I literally just added the add task heading like a second ago because I realized I never added a heading to it. So I'm going to align these together to get rid of some of this space. So don't judge. But yeah, so add a task. I'll just put CS50 week 4 because that's what I'm actually working on. Today's now the 12th. It's after midnight. Normal priority. I just put miscellaneous because it's not really work or school. So add create. So since it's a dashboard application, this main content is going to show like weather, kind of like a snapshot of like what's due soon or whatever I want to add to the dashboard. So it's not until you actually click on these links, like click on the different projects, then you'll see the different tasks related to that project. So what I did was, so you notice the last one that I added, it was to the miscellaneous project. So when I click on work and home, there's nothing in here because I haven't added anything. But when I click on miscellaneous, this is where I put the to-do in here. What I did was when I added the form, I used a filter to filter the project name, which is right here. And that's kind of how I sort like where each to-do goes or whatever. So I've only implemented the edit button, which I need to change the cursor to pointer. The description, I turned the event listener off of the to-do because I'm actually going to add a button so you can see more, but supposed to when you click on it, which is not, I deactivated so it doesn't do anything, the description kind of slides down and it'll come right here, but I made that visibility hidden, so when you click on it, it's supposed to toggle. But when I made the whole thing an event listener, basically, no matter what button I pressed, the description always slid down, and that's not what I wanted. So I'm going to add maybe like 3 dots up here or another symbol, or like a down arrow or something, so that you can click on that, and that's only the thing that'll trigger so you can see the description. But anyway, trust me, it's there. So when you click on the edit button, as you can see, the description is here. So it pulls the information. I'm using OOP, by the way. So I have a to-do class, and the to-dos are actually an array of objects. So each object has a title, description, a due date, priority level, and a project. And it also has an ID, but the ID is never actually shown. But that's just how I can like pick specifically that specific to-do that I want to do something to. So let's say I'll keep the title. I'll do week 4 set filter because that's the one I'm still working on. I just changed the due date just so you can see something different. Remember, the priority was normal, so normal has a green label. So I'm going to change it to high. And then I'll go ahead and change the project to work. Hit update. Now this is what I need to haven't added yet. I want to add it so that it notices when you change the project. So when you do that, I don't want it to show anymore because work does not align with the miscellaneous project tab that we're currently on. However, when you click on work, there it goes. That's the change. So yeah. Now if you click on home, it's not there. Miscellaneous is now empty. So yeah, that's what I have so far. Thanks for watching.